All right, we just pulled up to the site. Here we are. And there she rolls, dead on the side of the road.
Found on the road, dead.
Dead on arrival, DOA.
It's DOA, but we're gonna bring him back to life.
Let's do it.
So we're here in Kaipa. We have a Premier 2440A. It's down. This machine went down because of this pump. This pump is called a PFC pump. This powers all of our auxiliary functions on this drill, pertaining to track movement, stake down system, and outriggers. So basically they were drilling with the machine and the pump went out, so they lost all functionality besides rotation. So we got called out to diagnose the pump and was not making any pressure. So we ordered a new one. Here it is. We're gonna go ahead and start the install now. Get this thing mounted up and get this thing back up and running so that they can finish the job. Clean our mating surface here. It's not really under any oil pressure. It's just case pressure from our motor, but nevertheless, we don't want any leaks. We're gonna go ahead and clean this up and then throw our gaskets on with some silicone. Resist up to 650 degrees. Okay.
Shall we?
All purpose. I like that one.
Somehow you were able to open it. Not so childproof.
Think that's funny?
Do.
I don't like your attitude.
Going downwind.
You know, you keep saying that.
Turn the other way, bro.
Our support bracket, this one is going to come out here, help support the pump, just because the pump's kind of heavy. We don't want it weighing too much on our main gear set. Clean this up a little bit, get it installed. What the hell, an ant on me? Now it's on you.
Thanks, bro.
What are you trying to say?
Saying you're using your brain now. If you sprayed me with it.
All right, so we have our pump mounted. Everything is good to go on that end. Now we're just gonna start connecting our hydraulics. This is our main hydraulic oil in from our tank. Then we have, this is our return line. This is goes to our block for our functions. And then we have two of these lines that go on here. I think one is for the gauges and something else. Oh, actually, this is our charge pressure. Alright guys, there you have it. We have our installation of our PFC pump. So now we're gonna go ahead and start the machine. Our lines are primed, so we should be good to go there. We're gonna go ahead and start the machine, and all our functions should be live. We're gonna go ahead and test that also. Oh my god, I almost lost it.
Oh my Jesus.
Alright, well, hopefully I can drop this thing everywhere, but I guess there's only one way to find out.
All right, we just got done on site. I'll let Steven give you guys a little overview of what we just did.
All right, so that was that. We're here about an hour. Yeah, we got here at 1:15. It's 2:20 now. So an hour in and out. Install PFC pump on the 2440A. Fairly easy job. It's just a regular gear pump. Set it, fill it up with oil, let it go. The owner ran through the functions. All the functions are working properly. We have no leaks or anything like that. Topped them off on hydraulic fluid as well. So this machine's good to go. Now, it was dead here and they weren't able to move it. They were getting pushed by the city to get this thing out of here. And now we got a successful job, so this thing can move again. They're gonna continue the bore tomorrow, and then possibly remove it tomorrow also. So he's a happy customer. We're happy. We're in and out. Let's go grab some lunch.
Let's do it. This guy wants in. I'm not letting him in. Oh my god. He's getting angry, bro. Let go, bro. I'm supposed to let you in.
Man, play too much.
Oh, I play too much now.
Play too much.
How's it feel?